Good morning everybody, and guess what? It is the last day of the month and I'm here to share with you guys some new coupons to print, plus today is the last day to print certain coupons. Most of the time they either go away or they reset or there's just different ones. So these showed up actually yesterday and I never printed them off, so I'm actually going to print those off right now, the two Axe ones. It looks like they just added the Butterfinger 50 cents off of 2. My one inserts, I didn't get this, and then here we have a 75-cent off one. So these are brand new from this morning. So I have a feeling these will probably reset tomorrow. So I'll definitely print that off. We got Red Baron, and that one looks like it's a brand new one. We got Skinny Pop Pirate's Booty if you guys want to print off a lot of those. I just feel like I never buy those products, even though sometimes they're good coupons. I never buy the products, so I don't want to use them. We get a 50-cent off Lysol. I'm just going to print that off anyways, just in case. CoverGirl, I don't really need anything. Clairol, I don't really need anything. More Lysol. Don't really need that stuff. And then there's a lot of like ice cream products, like So Delicious. I'm not into that stuff, so I don't need to print any of those coupons off. But I think like the Annie's, this is a monthly coupon, so there might be something available tomorrow, or it resets. So if you guys want Annie's products, go for it. Completes, I think it's up to you guys. If you guys, whatever you guys need to print, you guys print. But these are just what I'm printing. I always say this in every video. I print my coupons from Swagbucks because I get points for every coupon that I print, and then I also get coupons for every coupon that I use at a store. I get points for that. So that's how I get save up for free Christmas, and then in a different browser I end up using it. My points is the same exact thing, just a little bit different. But the coupons that are still available is Chic, which I would print those off because most likely those will reset. Colgate, print those off. I don't know if those will reset, but definitely print those off if you guys haven't printed them off yet. Poise, that if it's still available tomorrow, it will reset. The Purell most likely, hopefully, will reset for a new month tomorrow. Windex, definitely do that one because we are getting $1 off of 2, and I think the 75-cent off coupon is a lot better. But other than that, those are the coupons that I have printed, so I will make a video tomorrow sharing with you guys new coupons to print, but definitely print the ones that you guys are thinking of because they might not be back tomorrow. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.